Here is the MDVR 8001S step-by-step guide. Connect the power supply first and wait until the light comes on to signal it is powered on. Then connect 3 cameras to channels 2, 3, and 4. First connect channel 2, then channel 3, and finally channel 4. Click the button 3 times to see the status and version of the device. And click 3 times again to exit. After the device turns on, a letter A will appear under the Wi-Fi icon. You can connect to its AP mode within 2 minutes. Use your phone to find the Wi-Fi named MDVR plus the device number, using the password provided. Then open a browser, enter this IP number to access the page, and enter this username to log in. Once inside, click Quick Online, enter the IP address and device number, and click Next. Select for GWIFI and click Next. The 4G settings are not required. Go to the Wi-Fi settings below to set the Wi-Fi name and password. Select WPA2 and AES, then click Save. Wait for the process to complete and then exit. The device configuration is changed. You should then turn off your phone's Wi-Fi. After 2 minutes, it will switch to Wi-Fi. The device is now connected, and the icon next to it indicates it is online.